so grateful for all your support to me. We love Rosemary's toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Rosemary Toys. Yay! I hope everyone is doing well, and also thanks so much for watching this video. Okay, let's create this Valentine frame with recycled materials for our special person. You can add any favorite picture or a quote like I'm going to do. So remember, you can use your imagination and creativity to create anything, my friends. And I hope you like this kind and cute idea to give to your loved one. My friends, also I'm so grateful for my members of my channel. I want to say thanks so much to Esmeralda, Piton, Valencia, Gladys, Laurie, and Carolina. I really appreciate so much your support to me, and also to everyone who watched these videos, short posts. Many thanks, my friends. I wish you all the best, a wonderful day, and enjoy this video. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. Hola amigos, bienvenidos a este espacio de Rosemary Toys. Espero que estén yendo bien y muchas gracias por ver este video. Vamos a crear esta bonita cuadro. Puedes regalarlo a tu persona favorita o para decorar. En este caso estamos usando materiales reciclados. Tú puedes agregar tu foto favorita. Yo voy a poner una frase en esta ocasión. Muchas gracias a los miembros de mi canal. Dios les bendiga grandemente. A todos los que miran estos videitos, los shorts, los posts, muchas gracias. Todos sus comentarios valen oro para mí. Dios les bendiga. Espero disfrute este video. Los quiero mucho. Deseo un bonito día. Bendiciones. Bye bye.
Raindrops tap on metal roofs, whispers in the night. Thunder rolls in hollow grooves, echoes in the light. Rivers sing through twisted trees, melodies they weave. Wind chimes down to gentle breeze, secrets they believe. Water speaks in liquid tones, ripples spread their song. Mountains echo ancient moans, carried on so long. Waves crash on the rocky shores, nature's lullaby. Oceans call forever roars underneath the sky. Streams and brooks in peaceful chase, humming soft and low. Finding paths in nature's grace, rhythms always flow. Water speaks in liquid tones, ripples spread their song. Mountains echo ancient moans, carried on so long. Water speaks in liquid tones, ripples spread their song. Mountains echo ancient moans, carried on so long. Waves crash on the rocky shores, nature's lullaby. Oceans call forever roars underneath the sky. Waves crash on the rocky shores, nature's lullaby. Oceans call forever roars underneath the sky. Underneath the sun.
Woke up to the birds today, singing songs they never play. Listen close, they'll steal your breath. Melodies that dance with death. In the trees they perch and sing, tiny maestros on the wing. Sky's their stage, they never hide. Harmonies that kiss the tide. Feathers in the wind, they fly.